Assalamu alaikum. I am M. Ziaur Rahman, lecturer in English, Rajakutra Model College. Dear students, hope that you are all fine with a lot of studies at home. However, to add some flavor to your studies, I have appeared before you today with a presentation on paragraph writing. I think it will be of some use to you. For this, you have to listen to me attentively. Now, let's come to today's topic, paragraph writing. I have arranged my lecture in some slides. First, you will get the definition of paragraph, then the different styles of writing paragraphs, and next, a common framework for writing paragraph with its application, and finally, a focus on some paragraphs from your syllabus and some topics for your practice at home. Definition of paragraph. According to the Oxford Dictionary, a paragraph is a distinct piece of a writing, usually dealing with a single theme. Paragraph writing is an art. It can be defined in many other ways. Paragraph means representation of thoughts and ideas on a single topic in a well arranged, well knit, and well balanced way within a small space. It is the way of reflecting thoughts and opinions on a particular topic in a miniature form. Paragraph also means a group of sentences connected together to focus on a central idea. There are different styles of writing paragraphs. These are illustrative and narrative paragraph, argumentative paragraph, process paragraph, cause and effect, compare and contrast, description, definition, listing, and classification. Now I will show you in short how you can write a paragraph on Rajakutra Model College applying these styles. If you want to write a paragraph on Rajakutra Model College applying illustrative and narrative paragraph, then it can be written in this way. Rajakutra Model College is one of the most remarkable institutions in our country, but it was not before what it is now. Once the number of good institutions were few, then the government decided to establish some model institution in the country, and this college is a part of the planning of the government of that kind. Argumentative paragraph. Rajakutra Model College is one of the most remarkable institutions of the country for a number of reasons. Firstly, its infrastructure is very outstanding. Secondly, it has eminent panel of BOG teaching staffs and highly conscious parents. Thirdly, there is a good academic atmosphere and strict discipline. Finally, there is strict vigilance. Process paragraph. Rajakutra Model College is one of the most remarkable institutions, but the college could not come to the present position overnight. It had to work day and night to materialize its dream to become an apex institution in the country. First, it had to arrange a good academic atmosphere. Next, teachers were made to be more cautious. Cause and effect. Rajakutra Model College is one of the most remarkable institutions in the country. A lot of factors worked behind its achieving its present position. It has good students, good teachers, good standard of parents, good discipline, and what not. The results are academic excellence award, reputation, public exam results, and worldwide reputation. Compare and contrast. There are many academic institutions in the country, but it excelled all in excellence because of a lot of factors being different from the other academic institutions. Firstly, it has good academic atmosphere which is not present in many other educational institutions. Secondly, it has highly qualified and dedicated teachers, while teachers in other institutions are quite callous to their students. Thirdly, there are strict discipline, strict vigilance, and many other factors working behind it. Description: Rajaputra Model College is a very good college in the country. It is situated beside the Dhaka Mymensingh Highway. It has a very large building, in fact, two buildings. There are more than 6,000 students, 400 teachers, and other related staffs in this institution. Definition: There are many institutions in the country. Rajuk Uttara Model College is such an educational institution discharging education both in school and college level. Rajuk College is self-financed autonomous college run by the high-powered Board of Governors. Listing: Rajaputra Model College is one of the most remarkable institutions in the country. A lot of factors has brought it to the focus: academic atmosphere, highly qualified teachers, good infrastructure, good students, conscious parents, highly qualified teachers, high standard syllabus, scope of co-curricular activities, good classrooms, various clubs, adventure clubs, debating club, nature club, judo karate club, general knowledge club, and many other such kind of clubs, helping the students to grow up in a very excellent environment. Classification: There are many types of colleges in the country. Some are government, some are non-government, some are semi-government, some are private, some are autonomous, and some offer technical and vocational education. Rajuk College is one of them. It is a self-financed autonomous college. A common framework for writing a paragraph. A paragraph usually consists of three parts. Topic sentence introduces and controls the ideas of the paragraph. Developer supports or develops the ideas expressed in the topic sentence. Terminator or concluder brings the ideas of the paragraph to a close. Now think of writing a paragraph on a school magazine applying the common framework. Suppose you got started writing a sentence like this: A school magazine is an important annual periodical of a school which showcases the principles, rules and regulations, teaching method, overall performances and other salient features of the school like a mirror in a miniature form. This is the topic sentence of the paragraph. Now you are to bring supporting sentences or details to establish the ideas expressed in the topic sentence. That is to say, you will prove how a school magazine is an important annual periodical of a school which showcases the principles, rules and regulations and teaching method, overall performances and other salient features of the school like a mirror in a miniature form. You may say that for writing a school magazine successfully, there are different committees, boards and panels. The panel of writers write focusing on diversified aspects of the school. Some write on the qualification of the teachers and students, some write on the public results of the school, some put their focus on the co-curricular activities of the school, some write reflecting on some valuable memories of the school, some other persons write on some other remarkable aspects of the school. Through their analytical and all-encompassing writing, the school appears to us as a living giant, demonstrating its immense power before us, making us forget about its solid infrastructure for the time being. In fact, through a school magazine, we can get some significant and hidden facts about a school which we cannot get in any other way. These sentences may work as developers or developing sentences of the paragraph. Thus, a school magazine is a living and everlasting document of a school which mirrors the glory and dignity of a school like a fluttering flag, terminator, or concluding sentence. Dear students, now let us discuss some paragraphs from your year final or annual exam. In these paragraphs, I will try to give a good topic sentence and a terminator. Students themselves have to expand their ideas on the paragraphs, adding details in the developer part for making the paragraphs meaningful and excellent. First of all, come to the first one, your school library. You can begin like this. A library is a room or a building that contains books of different kinds of or different subjects. It is an inseparable part of a school. These sentences may work as introducer, topic introducer, and you can conclude the paragraph like this. As the role of a library in our life is very great, it may be called an institution within an institution. Then comes to the second topic, environment pollution. Environment pollution means the pollution of environment. It may include a number of pollutions in our environment. It is very bad for our environment. You have to show different kinds of reasons why environment pollution is bad and how environment is polluted. Last of all, you would conclude in this way. As environment pollution creates great hazards to health, it must be checked at any cost for the betterment of human life. A railway station. A railway station is a place for traveling to different places of the country. It plays a vital role in the communication, transportation system and economy of the country. Add a few lines here, then you can conclude like this. Thus, a railway station holds an important place in the country. So, effective steps should be taken for its renovation and modernization. Traffic jam. Traffic jam refers to a serious road block when there is a long line of vehicles on the road. It has become a common picture of roads and streets in the big cities and towns of the country. You have to add some other lines in between and then you can conclude like this. Traffic jam causes great hazard to our lives, so steps should be taken for preventing traffic jam. A street hawker. A street hawker is a small businessman who hawks his goods from street to street in towns and cities. He sells different items such as toys, ribbons, clothes, utensils, fancy goods, etc. He carries his goods in a small pushcart or on his head and sometimes in hand. You can add some other lines and then the concluding part of your paragraph may be, though a street hawker does a very small job, still he is very important in our society. A winter morning. A winter morning is highly distinguished by dense fog and mist. Things at distance cannot be seen. The environment is dull and dismal. These may come in the beginning part of the paragraph. Then you have to add some other lines, and last of all you can conclude like this. Though a winter morning creates some troubles in our life, it is enjoyable in some respects. Child labor means engaging children in different laborious job. It is a heinous act and forbidden in the law of our country. but still it is going on. Then you have to add some other lines, and in the concluding part you may say that children are the future of our country, so their rights must be safeguarded at any cost. Price hike. Price hike means the rise of price of different things. In another way, it means the going of prices of things beyond the control of the general people. It is a very bad thing because people suffer a lot for it. As price hike make the life of the people belonging to the lower rung of the society very intolerable. So price hike must be checked at any cost for the betterment of people. List of paragraphs for English second paper for the annual exam. First one is your visit to a book fair. A fair which is organized to display and sell books is called a book fair. A book fair is an annual phenomenon in our country in the premises of Bangla Academy. I always have a great fascination for a book fair, so I never can check back my temptation to visit a book fair. Then you have to add some other lines in between, and you may conclude like this: the memories of visiting the book fair will remain vivid in me. I have gathered immense experience through visiting the book fair. Uses and abuses of mobile phone. Mobile phone or cell phone is a great invention of modern science. It is called so because a user can carry it wherever he goes out. It has made the interpersonal communication very easy and very fast. There is no unmixed blessing in the world. Mobile phone is not an exception to this. It also has some dark sides, but still mobile phone has a lot of merits. For that reason it has to be used for the utmost benefit of mankind. A tea stall is a small shop that sells tea and snacks. We find tea stalls usually in the corners of the streets near an office or a factory. Tea stalls are also available near a steamer or launch terminal and in many other places. Even in village markets, we see tea stalls. In a tea stall, there are few chairs, tables, benches for the customers to sit on and take tea. You have to add some other lines. Then the concluding part may be: a tea stall is a noisy place from dawn till midnight. Again in the morning it becomes a lively place full of gathering for people and have small talks. In fact, it is a place of liveliness for people of the village. The season you like most. Bangladesh is the darling child of nature. It is endowed with tremendous natural beauty. There are 6 seasons, each of which has sterling features. But of them, I like the spring most. And then some arguments in favor of it have to be shown later on. We can conclude like this: the spring is the king of seasons. It is the season of youth and color. It is full of life and warmth. So I cannot help liking this season very much. Importance of learning English. English is an international language. It is the most important and valuable language in the world. The importance of learning English is very great in our life. Then show the importance of learning English in different ways. And to conclude the paragraph, you may say, we cannot go a single step without learning English. So we must learn this language at any cost for our own betterment and survival in the highly competitive world. Otherwise, we cannot stand in the battle of life. Then comes International Mother Language Day. February 21st is the International Mother Language Day, which is observed all over the world. The day is historically related to Bangladesh. Then you can describe in short the history. Later on you can conclude like this: as 21st February is a day of great significance in the life of the Bengali nation, the day is annually observed to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. In fact, this day is a source of great inspiration and pride for our nation. Now you have two topics for practice at home. The first one is the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic is the worldwide pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019 caused by the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The COVID-19 is a very novel, all-consuming, destructive and deadly disease human beings have ever encountered on earth. Topic sentence of the paragraph. Now you have to add some other details in between, in the middle portion of this paragraph, and the concluding part may be like this. So considering all these aspects, we may unhesitatingly opine that the COVID-19 has brought about huge loss, profound uncertainty and other adverse things for human beings across the world. Your second topic for practice at home is scientific breakthroughs we are waiting for. Science has grown rapidly over the past few centuries, making things possible that were once considered completely impossible. Science has done a lot to cure many of our worldly troubles, but one thing about science is that it is not perfect and never will be. The reason for this is that there is no last word in science. There is always more to discover. So there are some breakthroughs such as the invention of DNA computer, building permanent moon base, ensuring clean energy and finding cure for cancer. These breakthroughs will unveil a new dimension to the history of mankind. This is the topic sentence of the paragraph. In the middle you have to add some other lines, and to conclude the paragraph we may say, as these breakthroughs are very remarkable for changing the destiny of mankind, we are eagerly waiting for these epoch-making things for human beings in near future. These sentences may work as terminator for the paragraph. These were all for today's topic, paragraph writing. Thank you all.